I had a dream. I got everything I wanted, not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare. But when I wake up, I see I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. They called me weak. I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why you're here. They don't